Hello there, it's Alan McGillivray from Alan McGillivray Real Estate Surfers Paradise. Well, it's Christmas time is coming along. Of course, it's very shortly. It'll be here, and there'll be lots of people here having Christmas holidays here from all over the states, enjoying the hospitality, of course, the weather and the beaches, theme parks and restaurants, and I'm sure they'll have a wonderful time here during Christmas, or any time, really. Also, real estate, well, still good buying here on the coast. So if you're thinking buying real estate, now's a good time to buy. If you'd like to have a look at our webpage, www.alanmcgillivray.com.au. You'll see units, properties there for sale. Also, if you're thinking of renting your property permanently, certainly let us know. We handle permanent rental, and you'd like an estimate. Also, whether you want an estimate on what you think your property would be worth if you wanted to sell, or if you wanted to rent it permanently. So you let us know, and we'll certainly try and help you where possible. And don't forget now, if you're on the Gold Coast, call in, say hello. We'd love to see you. Also, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care.